This is Assembly Member Yudelka Tapia, and I am from the Boogie Down Bronx. I have CUNY in my district. I have the Bronx Community College. I have Lehman College, and I have Hustos Community College. So my alma mater was Hunter College. I also went to the Bronx Community College to learn the little bit of English that I know. My son is graduated from CUNY, and I fought all my life for education because I believe that education is the real only equalizer that we have. So let's gonna fund 100% CUNY because that's what we need, and that's what is the future of our community. So our children, our young people, has to get all free college that is needed because it was free back in the days. So let's go back in the days and get it free for all our future generations.